Here's a great deal on a 2006 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Mercedes-Benz prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, and power front seats. Multiple drivers will appreciate the memory system, keeping track of unique seating, steering wheel, and audio settings and positions, as well as other features. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.